Please subscribe to my channel, Alicia's Life Journey.
I'm used to doing Velveeta cracked cheese and shit. So we're not going to follow directions exactly how to say it. It says boil, drain, and add this cheesy pasta. So no, we're not about to do that. We got it. Toss it up. Y'all know how to do it the southern cooking way. So let's about to get it. And plus, y'all ain't seen me in a long time. So it's your girl Alicia journey, and we about to get into it. All right, let's go. So not only are we going to use that, I might use like a dab of a Velveeta cheese, but you know, I'm just tossing it up and doing a little bit like my mama taught me. Just half a stick of butter, chop it in half. 2 eggs, dos huevos, and leche, milk, sea salt. I love my sea salt. Yeah. Oh, and one more thing, don't let me forget. Let me pick this up. Extra sharp cheddar cheese. Maybe just an 8 ounce, but you know, I just went all out. Whoa, so heavy. Okay. Let's get to it. So don't forget your cheese graters. Okay, we're gonna bake it. We're gonna bake it. Yep. Forget your cheese graters and your what's that stuff called? Your strainer. This is enough talking because I'm taking way too long. Because I'm talking and I could be cooking. Let's go. I found this extra Velveeta cheese pack, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Let me just do a shout out. I love this. My husband really he picked this kitchen set out for me. So he bought like a stainless steel kitchen set. This is Martha Stewart. I love Martha Stewart. I'm gonna pour these Velveeta cheese in this water. Noodles. Alright, they're in the water. I'm about to go ahead and put a teaspoon of salt in it while it boils. You can see it works out better anyway for you. Hopefully I don't spill it. Woo. That's a lot of salt. Hopefully it's not too salty. I might not put the whole thing in there either. So let's see. I'll put it all in. Right. Yeah, my baby got the whole set. The Martha Stewart spatula. I meant to show y'all my little Martha Stewart set. Martha Stewart. My husband bought that. So anyway, Martha Stewart. Looks nice. Love it. It's one of a kind. Okay. Ooh, my Dollar cheese grater. So we're gonna grade this cheese. About to do the whole block of 8 ounce cheese. So good. Yeah, I know it. I'm gonna taste this noodles to make sure the noodles has flavor. So I'll make sure there's enough salt on it. And like a little bit more salt. So we'll put more salt while we're boiling the noodles so it has some flavor. Alright, now we're draining it. Alright, this is my Martha Stewart pot. I got a whole set. I'll show y'all next time. So, alright, just gonna 2 eggs, whisk it in with milk. So y'all see that? Oh, look at it. Look at that egg yolk. Nice. All right, I'm gonna crack another one. Double. Whisk it, bad boys. Whisk it. Pour the milk in. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Stir and stir, stir it up. Stir it up. I'm just wiping the kitchen down. The egg has spilled. All right, my diamond table kitchen now set I showed y'all early. Love them things. So you do half a stick of butter. Chop it. Chop it. Chop it. Put it in the pan or the pot that you're going to bake it in. Pour it in that milk with eggs. Add a little bit of more milk in it. Add some butters. Yeah, mix it good. Just making sure that butter is good in there with that mix. Don't forget to sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Put all that good extra cheddar sharp cheese in there and then you mix it in. I just got you the super weapon. Velveeta cheese. Now we're adding this liquid gold Velveeta cheese. But if you want your macaroni to be real good, get buttermilk instead of regular milk. I didn't have that, y'all. So get that buttermilk. It's gonna be so rich, yummy, cheesy. And don't forget to leave some nice extra sharp cheddar cheese, grated shredded cheese on top for nice golden cheesy flavor. And now it's time to bake. Bake on 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. And then just stick your fork in to make sure it's cooked all the way good. Not, then do it for another 10 minutes. And voila, macaroni and cheese. Yum, 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 yum. It's very delicious, very cheesy. So I'll go ahead and scoop this out for you to see. It's a little bit liquidy because of the milk, because I had all the heavy handed on the milk. But look at that. Nice steamy piping hot. Yummy. Lego.
I like gifts, especially gifts from Amazon. And if you want to get a gift from Amazon, you can have a chance to win this $25 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is like and subscribe to Alicia's Life Journey. Click the link below. Comment on the violin cover video of Wind Beneath My Wings. And spread the word and help me get to 280 subscribers. That's all. That's all you have to do. And you have your chance to win the $25 Amazon gift card.